Hey guys, we're back. Charles Scicli here, Scicli Properties, bringing another brand new listing at the Retreat. This is a lower unit. It's a Plan 2 on the north side golf course, 302 Retreat Circle. Come on in. Welcome to the interior of the property. Again, this is a Plan 2, just under 2,200 square feet. Huge pocket door to access the outside, large tile throughout. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. The 3rd bedroom got double doors, so it's like a flex space with a den. Big island, top of the line Bosch appliances, super modern, and it comes furnished per seller's inventory. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing at the Retreat, 302 Retreat Circle. Again, I'm Charles Scicli with Scicli Properties. For more information, contact me direct.